This is MSRSPM with a new video about 4 brands that provides drop protection cases. So before you start the video, please hit the subscribe button and help for the growth of my channel. So let's begin about the cases, companies or brands. The first one that I'm going to introduce before you is the Greenwich design. This is more costly than all of it thought. It cost about 100 euros, which is very high, I know. But trust me, this is one of the finest of the world's best drop protection cases that you will ever get. Your phone is going to be safe in all the ways. Any faults, it could bear any faults. This is one of the best, and it has a worldwide free delivery. Leather cases they are giving us the leather cases. So you can see the specs information. If you want to know more about this case and about this brand, I will leave the link below in the description. You may please go with that. The second case that I'm going to introduce is the UAZ Urban Armor Gear cases. This has a multi-certification drop test. It has passed the multi-certification drop test, almost 26 drop tests in almost all the different ways it has. The brands that I show to you has most of the flagships under them. They will produce cases for most of the flagship phones, so you don't need to worry that your product will have, if your product have a case in this website or not. Produces pretty good things. UAZ, I will leave the link in the description for all these brands. The next one is Rinke Fusion, Rinke cases. The Rinke cases is one of my personal best because I'm using this case with my phones. They produce a lot varieties of cases, drop protection cases. Like you see, it is a Fusion X, and this is Rinke Slim, Rinke Fusion, and Rinke Onyx, Rinke Air, Rinke Wave. It goes on like that. So we just love the way they produce the cases. So the designs they have, the ideas they input, all these other things that influence me about the Rinke. I prefer, according to my personally love, these cases are more better than the others. And the last one, the Rhino Shield. The Rhino Shield is another drop protection cases which has certifications, so you don't need to worry about. You could pretty easily drop your phone. If you want to see the drop test of each phone, you may search in the YouTube or you can search in the website. So the cost of these drop cases will be a bit higher than the usual designer case or some other case that you buy from Amazon, Flipkart or any other stores. But trust me, these cases are going to protect your phone from any kind of faults. Rather than losing $100, it would be good if you spend a few more dollars for this. So by seeing these words, I conclude. I stop my video. Before I do, please help me or support me for the growth of my channel. Please do subscribe, like and share the content.